Whether you're an avid gardener, a plant enthusiast, or someone looking to cultivate a vibrant indoor garden, the desire to see your plants thrive and grow at an accelerated pace is a common aspiration. While plants have their natural growth rhythms, there are various strategies you can employ to enhance their development and promote faster growth. We'll explore a range of techniques, tips, and best practices to help you achieve green acceleration and witness your plants flourish with vitality. Understanding plant growth. Before diving into the methods to expedite plant growth, it's essential to grasp the fundamental factors influencing plant development. Light. Adequate light is crucial for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light into energy. Insufficient light can slow down growth. Water. Proper watering is essential for nutrient absorption and cellular processes. Both overwatering and underwatering can impede growth. Nutrients. Plants require essential nutrients, including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, to support growth. Fertilizing provides these nutrients in balanced quantities. Soil quality. Well-aerated and nutrient-rich soil promotes healthy root development, enabling plants to access essential resources. Temperature and humidity. Plants have optimal temperature and humidity ranges for growth. Maintaining suitable conditions fosters faster development. Strategies for accelerated plant growth. 1. Optimize light exposure. Provide adequate sunlight. Place outdoor plants in locations that receive the appropriate amount of sunlight based on their specific requirements. Rotate indoor plants regularly to ensure all sides receive equal light exposure. B. Supplement with grow lights. Use grow lights to supplement natural sunlight, especially in areas with limited daylight hours or during the winter months. 2. Enhance watering practices. Consistent moisture. Maintain consistent moisture levels in the soil to provide a stable environment for root growth. Use a well-draining soil mix to prevent waterlogged conditions that can hinder oxygen intake by roots. B. Watering schedule. Develop a watering schedule based on the specific needs of your plants. Factors such as climate, season, and plant type influence watering frequency. C. Watering techniques. Water plants at the base to minimize moisture on leaves, reducing the risk of diseases. Consider using a drip irrigation system for efficient and consistent watering. 3. Optimal nutrient supply. Balanced fertilization. Choose a balanced fertilizer with appropriate ratios of nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K, to support overall plant growth. Follow recommended application rates to avoid over-fertilization, which can be detrimental to plants. B. Organic matter. Incorporate organic matter into the soil, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to enhance nutrient content and soil structure. 4. Soil quality enhancement. Aeration. Regularly aerate the soil to improve its structure and allow better penetration of water, nutrients, and oxygen to the roots. B. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around plants to conserve moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weed growth. 5. Temperature and humidity control. Temperature management. Ensure plants are within their preferred temperature range for optimal growth. Use cold frames or row covers to protect plants from temperature extremes. B. Humidity regulation. Group plants with similar humidity preferences together. Use humidity trays or misting to increase humidity levels for plants that thrive in more humid conditions. 6. Pruning and training. Regular pruning. Prune plants to remove dead or diseased growth, encouraging the redirection of energy toward healthy, new growth. B. Training techniques. Employ training methods like staking, trellising, or pinching to encourage desired growth patterns and prevent leggy or floppy growth. 7. Use of growth-promoting substances, root hormones. Consider using rooting hormones when propagating plants from cuttings to stimulate root development. B. Seaweed extracts. Seaweed extracts contain growth-promoting compounds that can enhance overall plant vigor. Dilute and apply as a foliar spray or soil drench. 8. Regular monitoring and adjustment. Observation. Regularly observe your plants for signs of stress, pests, or nutrient deficiencies. Prompt action can prevent setbacks in growth. B. Adjustments. Adjust care routines based on the changing needs of your plants, considering factors like seasonal variations and growth stages. Accelerating plant growth is a rewarding endeavor that requires a combination of thoughtful care, optimal conditions, and strategic interventions. By understanding the factors influencing plant development and implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you can create an environment that fosters vigorous growth and lush greenery. Remember that each plant species has its unique requirements, so tailor your approach accordingly. Embrace the journey of cultivating a thriving garden and enjoy the satisfaction of witnessing your plants reach new heights of vitality. Happy growing!